I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a WPF or compatible UI project and immediately add a model or view model. Implement iNotify property changed on that class so the UI can observe changes. Once done, instantiate the view model in your window or page constructor and set data context to that instance. This step wires your data layer to the view, make sure namespaces compile, and the properties are public. If you skip iNotify property changed, bindings won't update dynamically, so implement it now and confirm no build errors before continuing. Next, you switch to XAML and declare bindings on controls using binding path equal to your view model property names. For editable controls, set mode equals two-way so changes travel back to the view model. For live feedback, set update source trigger equals property changed. When types differ, attach an iValue converter and reference it in resources. Also use string format for display-only formatting. Make sure data context is inherited by nested controls. Once the XAML compiles, you'll have the core binding plumbing active and ready for runtime verification. Finally, build and run the app and interact with bound controls to confirm data flows both ways. If something fails, enable WPF binding trace messages in the output window or set presentation trace sources in XAML to see binding failures. Use breakpoints inside property setters to verify code is reached. Make sure property names match exactly, data context is set before initialize component returns, and that iNotify property changed raises property changed. If bindings still fail, restart Visual Studio and clean/rebuild to clear stale designer caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.